Stop, do not scroll. Let me show you how to claim ownership of your video by putting a permanent watermark on your video, so that when somebody trying to take your video and make use of it, they cannot make use of your video because you already have your watermark on this video. If this is something that you like to learn, please, all you have to do is just to comment on this video, share my video, and like this video. Now let's go and create our permanent watermark for our video. So for you to claim ownership of your videos, your products, anything whatsoever, all you have to do is to go to your camera and take a picture of a dark space like this. Then after taking the picture, then we have to import this to Capcut. So we have to click on a new project. Once we click on the new project, you see that picture that we take. We are going to import it. Then we click on add. So once we've added the picture to the Capcut, then we are going to highlight it like this. Once we highlight the picture, then you come to test. You click on test. You click on add test. So you are going to write the name of your brand here. Any name that you bear, maybe you are into social media, the name that you use on your social media, or the name of your brand. For example, and for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be typing Zara Z Vlog. So I've typed Zara Z Vlog. You can use your hand to take it to whatsoever angle that you feel like. You can use your hand to zoom it. You can also use your hand to zoom it in and zoom it out like this. So once we've make it like this, depending on the angle that you want, all we have to do again is now that we have imported our picture, then is already saved in our gallery. Then we have to import video. For the purpose of the video, I have to import another video for me to show you guys how to do it. Then we come back again we go back to Capcut again for us to import a new video. We have to leave here and go back to Capcut. So for the purpose of this video, we have to click on new project. Then let me just bring any video. Here is photos and here is video. Let me just bring any video that we like to work on. For example, let me just bring anything that I would like to work on. Okay, let me click on this one that I would like to work on. For example, they will import it. Now that our video is here, so we are going to highlight the video like this. Now that our video is here, we are going to click on overlay. We add overlay. We are going to add that our screenshot that we write Zara Z Vlog. We are going to add it to this video. We are going to add it to this video. So the next thing we are going to do is to click on this overlay. Once you click on the overlay, we are going to see something like split, volume, spice, animation, delete. Then you click on the spice. Once you click on the spice, then you see something like normal, filter, darken, overlay. Go to lighting. You click on the lighting. You see, we have lighting our watermark. So you see this long line here. You can choose to to take it down for it not to be showing that much, or you can choose to put it at 100, or you can choose to take it down. You see, if I'm taking it up like this, it is showing more. But if I'm taking it down, it's as if the thing is the overlay. The Zara Z, the watermark is going down. The color of the watermark is going down. Okay. Now, like this, it's not going to affect your video in any way. And nobody is going to steal your video. You have put a permanent band on your video. You have put a permanent watermark on your video. If you feel like taking the color down, you see, the color is going down. But if you feel like you want it to be showing like this, or you want it to be at 100, no problem. Or if you feel like you want it to be like this, it's no problem. Then after doing this, then the next thing you are going to do is to click on this arrow that shows good. Then you've added your permanent watermark to your video. Now let's watch it. Okay. Like this is not going to affect your video in any way. Your video is not going to be affected. There are some watermark that you see, your video will not look somehow. But in this one, you have key your video. You have put a permanent watermark on your video. Nobody can steal your video. That's the reason why I decided to put mine in the setter. Because sometimes if you put your watermark on the beginning of a video, they can crop it and remove it. But if you put it at the setter here, if the person is trying to remove your watermark and put theirs, is going to spoil their own video, not yours. So this is how you are going to permanently key your video for them not to be using your video anyhow. Now that you've learned how to create a permanent watermark for your videos, where is my thank you? All I need from you is just to share my video, comment on my video, and don't forget to say a thank you in the comment section. Hope to see you in my next vlog. Bye.